Hello. Hello, let me congratulate all of you. All of you on your wonderful achievement and great success in the NEET SS 2020. And it's a great privilege to see all of you today. And the very purpose of this meeting today is to understand, uh, hello, understand the requirement and to go on to the next stage with choosing the specialty and choosing the specialty in the right place. That might require some expertise from the faculties on the respective specialties, so they can give you an input on what to do and how to proceed from there. So let me wait for some more time, 2-3 minutes, just to show the faculty all come in, so that let us start the discussion on. And before that, I will also enable the studio, Speed Studios, enable the audio and video of the participants. Enable the audio and video of the participants so that they can ask the questions, and they can choose when they want to talk and when they want to come into the screen. So that will definitely be helpful for them to participate. Just give me a second, I'm there. We need to open the multiple screens so that all can participate. Gallery view. Okay. Who are the faculty now? Who are the faculties in? Now, who are the faculties in? Now, yeah. Okay, right. Okay, right. Yeah, thank you. So let us get started. So the rest of the faculties and rest of the doctors and surgeons can join our discussion a little later as they come in. Now let us very outset and for all the participants, let me congratulate you once again for your fantastic performance and great achievement, and a year-long preparation has come to an end, and to go to the next stage of to choose what we want. Now, I request we'll start with SG, surgical gastro, and I will whoever has you can introduce yourself. You can introduce in a chat, or you can come in a video, or you can use your mic. And you have Anthony here on the screen, and I congratulate Dr. Anthony, and also want to know what is your interest, which specialty you're in. Can you talk something about it? What is
good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. First of all, I thank you as well as the Speed Management for helping all of us and guiding for the past 1 year. And I wholeheartedly thank each and everyone in the Speed Institute, sir. I had come to Chennai in February and March. I have been there, and I stayed in the hostel for 1 month. It was, that actually it changed me a lot. It helped me, it guided me, even Karthin sir and Naseem sir. Sir, unfortunately, I didn't get the adequate score, sir.
Okay.
So I hope something happen. If some cutoff happens.
The specialty of your choice?
Pardon me, sir.
Specialty.
Cardiology, sir.
Okay.
Cardiology, sir.
Okay. And Dr. Anthony, tomorrow we have for cardiology, for Dr. Asim will participate. and we have a session on DM counseling tomorrow, and today will be exclusively on MCH today, and tomorrow we are doing it for DM. Okay, so that we'll be able to give you a lot on that. Yes. So now let's talk. Thank you, and thanks for being in the participation today. Now,
sir, could I ask you one small thing, sir?
Yeah, you can.
Sir, will there be any cutoff in the second round, or anything will happen? Sir?
Yeah, that we're going to discuss in detail tomorrow. That we are going to discuss A to Z tomorrow, so that it will be much appropriate. We could do it tomorrow. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Just wait for it, and we are doing it in detail. Yes, its preparation is done. We are going to do in detail. Yeah. Yeah. Now, Panchakeshavan, Dr. Panchakeshavan.
Hello,
Hi.
sir.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I am good, sir. How are you? I am fine. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Again, sir, I am a neurosurgery aspirant. I have got rank 78 All India. And once again, I would like to thank you for the guidance and also this initiative that you're doing. And truly, it doesn't end just on coaching. Your is exemplary. Thank you very much, sir, for guiding even after actually your job is done. Even after we have got our ranks, you're still guiding us. So thank you very much for that. And yes, sir. So I have a few queries regarding making the right decision.
Yes, that's very important because where we study also matters.
Yes,
I mean, we go through strenuous exercise of getting through, and after that, next part of our career depends on how good our training is. I mean, how much of hands we can, how much of cutting we can do, and how much of, because for a surgeon from now on, it has nothing to do with theory. Try to understand, it is nothing. All the theory has been done with the exams. Yes.
Correct.
Now, from now on, it's how much you can put on your hands. I mean, how much is that possible to get on as many cases as possible, as many theta days as possible, that to as many cases as possible. It matters a lot in the career from now on. That's what is very, very important, I feel. So we need to make an appropriate decision. I'm not saying, I mean, one institute is better than the other.
Sir, I would like to add to that. The only thing is not only hands-on, but with the bond scenario, so super specialty bonds, they are like too expensive to break. And I think that's another thing that we have to strike a balance between both. Yeah. That where we live, where we want to settle, and does it have adequate hands-on? And also if you are going to other state, that there is good hands-on, but the bond is so exorbitant that so that's why I want to get some guidance, and I hope, sir. Yes, sir.
There, but how far these bonds are followed, and is that a question to be answered and asked and answered? So I always strongly feel that is there. I'm not saying that is not there, but for that we cannot compromise our best institute. That's my opinion on that. And in case there is a bond and institute is also good, and in case that gives me extra practice better than outside, then we have to take a choice on that. I'm not saying it should be, but I'm just saying a choice can be taken.
So this is exactly my scenario. Like, can I tell you in detail? I am based in Mumbai.
Yeah.
I am based in Mumbai. So at my rank is 78. Now, Lokmanya Tilak college, it closed at around 75 last year.
Okay.
And so maybe I have a chance of getting that. KEM closed quite earlier. That is State GS. And so at my rank, I am definitely going to get Topiwala National, that is Nayar Hospital, and BJMC Pune. Now I have heard hands-on is a little lesser in these colleges.
Okay.
As compared to certain other colleges such as SMS Jaipur, in which the hands-on for neurosurgeons, I mean resident neurosurgeons, is quite very good. But it has a bond of 5 years. And sir, if you ask me, as I said, I see myself settling in Mumbai. It's my home, sir. I have born and brought up here. So doing 5 years in Jaipur after MCH, it's like finished. I'm finished then. When will I Yes, I'm sorry, I'm using the harsh words, but I think this is one. Similarly, I am getting King George Lucknow at my
Okay.
rank. So this is the thing where I would like. So if I compromise a little bit with hands-on, and should I take somewhere where I would like to settle down, or should I go to a foreign place?
See the
And
uh,
also at my rank, I am getting. I've heard Madras Medical College, Tamil Nadu. Also the hands-on is very good, but 10 years bond becomes a little bit very too much. And and as you said, whether bond is being enforced or not, I am doing
yeah,
MS in Gujarat. Till now, they had not enforced any bond.
same
But
same.
COVID pandemic has come. No
Yeah.
one knew that COVID is going to strike. So they are putting surgeons in COVID duty. They are enforcing bond, and we are not even doing any surgical work, sir. Since March, I am not doing surgical work. I am just posted in COVID wards.
See,
So that is another thing, sir.
scenario across the country. I will tell
Sir?
you the same scenario across the country.
Sure. I am not just telling here.
Cardiothoracic surgeon, it's almost 5 emergencies. Other than 5 emergencies, not operated for 6 months. You tell me. These hands. Okay.
So I
So
think this is even compromising the future of resident doctors and students. I think the government should actually employ more MOs instead of just diverting residents of other branches to get their work done and compromising on their learning and their future. I mean, so this is out of our control, but I'm just
yeah,
lamenting.
I will tell you
Sorry.
this in pandemic is very difficult to debate, and it's the safety of not only the surgeon,
I'm
it's
sorry.
safety of the team. So it's very difficult to debate on that. And because of this session is also not for debating that. So
Okay, sir.
let us look into specialty wise. See what we are planning to do is I'll tell you today. We have a one gross hear out. This is a hear out session. That means we are going to hear out. And what we're going to do is after this we are going to split it to specialty wise. I mean we're going to have in another 2 days. We'll give you the time slot. So you'll have like onco, neuro, plastic, urology, endocrine surgery, cardiothoracic, vascular surgery, okay, onco surgery, all surgeries, every surgery separate we will have, because now what we're going to do is, because people have taken two specialties, and they might have all have different questions. So the very purpose today is this session getting recorded. So what I'm going to do is we're going to hear out everybody. So let everybody talk, and they have various queries, and for all the queries we may not be able to answer today, but we will hear them. So we will prepare the answers like an exam and come back to you, and we will come back to you with the exact or close to the preferred answer and the solutions in one session. So we're going to have two
Thank
sessions.
you.
We're going to have two sessions. So this session is to hear out each and every one. We're going
Yes,
to
sir.
listen to everyone, and the session is on record. I mean, I'm just informing all of you. This session is under record for the internal assessment and to go back and prepare the answers for all the questions. So here we are going to listen to each and every one of you, and you kindly come out with what are the difficulties. If some answers are be able to give up now, and we have the faculties of the respective specialties, they have moved in now. And I have Dr. Basant Singh from surgical gastroenterology, and he's a resident. I mean, he's not a resident. He completed his MCH surgical gastro in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. And we have an oncosurgeon, head and neck oncosurgery, Dr. Kantamani Teja, and he is also there as the faculty. And I'm able to, I'll see that four are there now today. So we will get the answers whatever we can today. And even Dr. Arun from CTBS will join along with me so that we'll be able to talk on those lines. Now, let me get started some presentation today, and with Dr. Teja, are you ready? Can you do a screen share and give us a broad spectrum of things with regard to the last year ranking and system? And studio, allow Dr. Teja to share the screen. Dr. Mohan, coordinate. By the time, let Teja get ready with the presentation. Until then, what we do is we will hear from people who want to talk to us. Yes? And this is to participate, this is to talk. and this is to raise your queries. What next? To this rank, where should I do, and what are the institutes preferable?
Satya?
Yes? Yes, Dr. Satya. Today is coming online. I think, yes?
No, he's coming really fast.
Yes?
Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, Jacob, you tell me, what do you want to say?
sir, if you come to know about anything regarding, could you please inform us?
Yeah. I mean, Anthony, what I will do is you can participate tomorrow, because this is for today.
Okay.
So that,
Okay.
cardiology, it will be more appropriate that tomorrow we have a medicine session, DM session tomorrow. So that
I'll attend.
most of your queries.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah. So you can start the presentation, and you can share the start sharing the screen.
Hello?
Yeah, you can start. You can on your video also. You can switch on your video, Dr. Teja.
Okay. Is it okay, sir?
Yeah. Little adjust your camera so that you are the center.
Is it on?
Yes.
One side, I think.
Full screen. You can put a full screen, and you can start talking about.
And I can this also go?
Yeah.
No.
Yes. You can get started.
Good evening, everyone. Hello.
Yeah.
This is the analysis made by our Speed Institute. See, this is the 2018, 19 and 2020 picture. Why this slide has been shared is, so I want you to learn, understand that there are 4 specialties which are frequently opted by our students. Majority opt for surgical gastroenterology every time, and followed by urology or vice versa, and followed by oncosurgery. This year oncosurgery they have increased it from 1800 to 2300, and neurosurgery it is increasing slowly, so it may reach 1500 in near soon. And this is like a gross picture, okay? And regarding why we need to understand this is, the seats in each subject are different. Hello?
Yeah. Able to hear us. Able to hear.
There
Go
is
ahead.
a lot of disturbance background. So
See, studio, you can unmute, you can mute all the participants as of now until presentation. Then during discussion, you can unmute. Studios, the moderator, mute all the participants, including me, and you can unmute during the discussion. Now, is it okay?
almost.
So that the background noise doesn't get captured.
Yes. So we are sharing our trial version regarding surgical oncology for today. So we'll get back to you regarding different subjects tomorrow, by tomorrow class. So this is what I have brought till now to your notice. The last rank which has taken the seat is 421 is surgical oncology in last year. And before year also it is around 400. In Tata Memorial it is 40th is the last rank and there are 24 seats. In Kidwai it is 67th is the last rank and there are 8 seats. And in St. John's it is 116th rank, which is the last rank that has taken the seat, and there is only one seat. RCC it is 73, KGMU it is 9, Ram Manohar Lucknow it is 101, Kilpauk it is 87, Madras Medical College it is 115. So SRMC 245, Adyar 105, BJ Medical College 72, Cuttack Acharya Institute it is 90, so Usmania it is 60, SWIMS it is 78, Varanasi it is 83, Jaipur SMS is 112, Guwahati is 113, Coimbatore Medical College 114, and Madurai Medical College 123. So why I have shared this slide is, I want you to understand that depending upon the rank which has taken the seat, you should calculate why they have taken that seat with that rank. So when you come to SRM, I know it is costlier seat than normal government college or institute, but the 250, 245 rank got the seat at that point. So that seat is left by many people. So there he has taken at that point. But the Tata Memorial first 40 ranks they have taken Tata Memorial. And last year first rank has taken Kilpauk. That is his choice because he is a localite from Chennai. So while you are selecting seat, you have all these different, not only based on your choice, but it also depends on others' choice. For example, first ranker has taken Kilpauk Chennai. So the second ranker has got Tata. Like that, in between many seats are left and ultimately the Tata Memorial seat has gone to 40. What I want you to notice that because your choice is in your hand, but ultimately it is reflected by other person who opts the seat also. So you have to keep in mind, I want you to make a group like oncology, surgical oncology, one group speed surgical oncology, or someone rankers top 100 surgical onco, and you can discuss among yourself that this one first thing, and we are there to guide you regarding cutting and everything. Regarding onco, I can tell you that Tata Memorial Hospital is 100% student for cutting and everything. You get everything. You hardly or barely get a time to read or do anything. But you daily you will get cutting. You will be working like a machine for 24 hours, almost 24 hours. So you will be like continuously working. So next coming to Kidwai, by almost 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock you will be free. But difference between Tata and Kidwai is there is a little fee.
Volume, it will increase the volume, na? Volume it will increase. Increase the volume, increase the volume.
Hello?
Now it's better.
Only difference between Kidwai and Tata is little fee issue. That is the thing, and there are only 8 seats compared to Tata in the academic session. Kidwai is little. Hello?
Yeah. Thank you.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
You can chat also. We can move to a chat message
Yes, sir.
so that questions can be answered from chat also.
That is better, sir.
Yeah, chat is open and you can type in chat. Yeah. Go ahead.
So coming to St. John's and everything, RCC another best institute, and when you go opt this one, first I like you to opt a Tata, then go for other colleges first thing because I am working here. And Adyar there is a less number of cutting, that is what I heard from everyone. SRMC and this Vaidehi, these are little costly, everyone knows that. So regarding cutting, I can promise you in Tata and RCC.
Mute the audience, please.
Regarding cutting, we can promise from Tata and RCC. The rest of the college, even Kilpauk is better in cutting. There's an age-old college, so they're interested in teaching. So Adyar, there is less chance of cutting. They are making only residents work for the cases. So that is what heard from others. And another bad place is Ram Manohar. That is also little bad place. I think with this onco, I would like to answer oncology questions if anyone want to.
Oncology, surgical oncology. Any questions, please? Surgical onco. There are no questions. I think we can keep moving to the next.
This is what I made, sir. So
Yes.
this is what made, sir, at last.
Okay. Now, may I request Dr. Basant to come on from SG Surgical
Sir,
Gastro.
someone asked 115 rank, can we get a surgical onco seat? Yes,
Ah.
there is every option that last year 113 rank got Guwahati Medical College. BBC Guwahati. So every option you have. And the other thing, if you are okay and well sound, you can take this SRMC also and Vaidehi also. If you are okay, you want only government seat, then you have BBC and this SMS Jaipur. We will share the slides to you at the end of the session, or sir will give you at the end of the session if you want. So you can see wherever you want to opt. You may also opt MMC Chennai also. According to last year details, you have these two options with 115 rank. Okay. Any other questions? I mean, Basant Singh sir is chipping in. Okay.
Yeah, hi. Basically,
Hi, Dr. Basant. Welcome,
Hi,
welcome.
Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any questions about surgical gastroenterology? What are the options you have? Basically, in Delhi, you have options of GV PAN, ILBS, and even in Lucknow, you have SGPGI. And I basically have idea about colleges in North India. I don't have much idea about colleges in South India as such. So because most of the centers in surgical gastroenterology are in North India only. So the options in Delhi, you have GV PAN, the ILBS, and in SGPGI, you have, in Lucknow, you have SGPGI. So if you want to do, if you want to have career in liver transplantation, then I'll advise you to join ILBS in New Delhi. So, but if you want to have a become proper just surgical gastroenterology and don't want to pursue liver transplantation, then GV PAN is a good option. There you get lot of surgery also, and the work culture is also good. So in Delhi, you have two options basically, GV PAN and ILBS. It depends what is your preference. If you want to pursue a hardcore career in liver transplantation, then ILBS is a very good option to join. But if you want to do GI surgery first and then you want to do fellowship in liver transplantation and all, then GV PAN is also very good. GV PAN you get more cutting than ILBS because ILBS is kind of a semi-private type of organization. GV PAN is a totally government thing. So if you want to do more surgeries, more cutting and all, GV PAN is a place to be. You want to learn
Dr.
liver
Basant,
transplantation, then ILBS.
Little slow and louder.
Yes. So I was basically talking about the colleges in Delhi for GI surgery. So in Delhi, I think you have two colleges. In NEET, basically, you have GV PANT and ILBS. So ILBS is good for liver transplantation. So if you are interested in going for, you want to make a career in transplantation, then ILBS is a very good college to join because they have a dedicated transplant unit and they do surgery, they do like live donor liver transplantation every week or so. So you have a good experience of transplantation. In GV PANT, you basically do proper GI surgery stuff. And so if you want to learn GI surgery first per se, GV PANT is a good option to join. You get surgery also, hands-on surgery is also good. But if you want to make a career in transplantation, then ILBS is a good option. Both colleges are good. So it depends what is your preference basically.
So any questions to be asked on SG? So do you have questions to be asked? Any doubts you have? Are there no questions? Dr. Basant?
Hi, sir.
So he completed the discussion on important questions today, and for 3 days he's doing it. Can I see a few words about? Yeah, you can. Surgical onco, you can. Yeah, no issues. Come on, what do you have? What do you want to ask?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm Dr. Ravi Shankar, sir.
Go ahead.
Hello, sir. I'm Dr. Ravi Shankar, sir. Can you hear?
We are able to hear you, Dr. Ravi Shankar. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Oh.
Congratulations to you.
Sir, I have been taking classes in speed for surgical oncology.
Yes.
So regarding the few how to decide in surgical oncology is like
Can you switch on your video? Can you switch on your video?
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I just came home. Okay, sir. How the people select the surgical oncology? The premium institutes are there. The pure cancer institutes are there. Like the Tata Memorial Hospital, Tidwai Hospital. There are actually few cancer hospitals are there. The Tata Memorial Hospital, Tidwai, OSTC, everything is there. But for the people who got lesser budget,
Ravi Shankar,
still there are opportunities for DNB out there.
the audio is not. Audio is not clear.
Sir, I will come back online, sir.
Yeah. So before you could come back, now let me ask you anything that you want regarding cardiothoracic and vascular surgery. I'm ready to answer until his audio lines are clear. So my MCH was in Madras Medical College in Chennai. So those aspirants who are for MCH, cardiovascular and thoracic surgery, if you have any on that, you can ask me. You can go ahead, Dr. Sneha. Go ahead. So you can type or you can.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, good evening, sir. This is I'm Dr. Sneha, sir.
Good evening, doctor. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm aspiring for vascular surgery, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is there any difference between DNB and MCH, sir? Which one should be preferred?
Actually, by and large, not only for vascular, any specialty, surgical specialty, there is no difference between DNB and MCH.
Okay, sir.
See, it is the perspective. That means someone wants to have a degree of MCH or that only matters actually. As per the training or the practice, it has nothing to do with that. But if you have something in your mind, I want to do an MCH and I want to be a post MCH, is that the feeling of a person? Yes.
Okay.
And that matters a lot. In case MCH is very strong, then a person has to do only MCH, irrespective of anything else. And he has to get simultaneously trained. In case an MCH program in a particular institute, you feel that it is not that great, then I always say you take an MCH because you feel you want to be an MCH, and then you have to parallelly go to a private center or a center which is doing more work on that simultaneously with any process to happen or after post MCH. And I will tell you, before you go to MCH itself, I'll tell you one thing which is very clear. MCH is not everything. I'm just telling you. just doing an MCH cardiothoracic surgery or a vascular surgery does not make one person to go and do a surgery independently after 3 years. I'm telling you this.
Okay.
So it is that you finish your MCH or DNB, then you need to be in 5 years in a high volume center. 5 years in a high volume center under a consultant, under a consultant that he is good at it, and the same practice that you want to do in that specialty, you will be in a high volume center, and then you get trained, and after 5 years you get a complete confidence and the range of skills that you want to do in a super specialty. This is the dictum. You need to understand this very clearly even before you start your MCH. That's what my professor also said. After, when I joined an MCH cardiothoracic surgery, he said very clear that it's just MCH is a tag. That means does not mean you have a degree, that's it. It doesn't mean that you can tomorrow after finishing MCH doesn't mean that a person with cerebral vessel disease is going to come and ask you do a CABG for me. No, it's not, doesn't work that way. It's not like a general surgery when you finish MS. Then today you can do on a hydrocele and a hernia and an appendix. Yes, that works. Yes, even for that you have reference to do that. And because GP or when a good skill set, somebody will call you and you go and do it. But it does not happen with the super specialty degrees. It doesn't happen that way at all. It's a totally different ball game altogether. Yes, acquiring a skill set and acquiring MCH or a DNB is totally different.
Okay, sir. So one more thing, sir.
At the same time, I'm telling you, the 3 years of training where you do is also equally important. I'm telling you again, the culture that you're going to get, the skill set that you're going to get in on the basic institute where you're doing for this 3 years matters a lot. I'm not discounting on that. That matters a lot. But at the same time, it's not ending with 3 years. That's my point here.
Okay. So one more thing, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm basically from Hyderabad, sir. So my first priority would be the Nizam's Institute for Peripheral Vascular Surgery. So what, like...
Dr. Sneha, one thing I want to tell you at the very outset for Dr. Sneha and to all the other participants here and all the surgeons here, you are not post MBBS. Do not talk about your seating. Somebody was talking about previously that I am from Mumbai, I want to be in Mumbai, and of this Topiwala, KEM and all, my college near, I will go to one college which is near to my home. That means I can go to lunch every day and come back. That is not the criteria here. Try to understand this.
Okay, sir.
And we are in India, we are in travel between 2.5 hours to 3 hours is the minimum distance in the flight.
Okay, sir.
Try to understand this. Get this into your mind, all of you. Get this into your mind very clearly. Do not choose a place where you belong to. Choose a place where you get the best training.
Okay, sir.
Yes, that should be your priority.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
So,
the 3 years will fly just like that.
okay, sir.
Your priority has to be the best place of vascular surgery. You need to go and get trained.
Okay. So
yes,
with
then you
my
come back
rank,
to your place.
so with my rank, which should I choose, sir? Which institute should I choose? I have got 25 ranks, sir.
Yeah, 25 rank, what are the options that you have with you now? Now you would have gone through the previous year for 25 rank, what are the options you had? I will tell you of the options, what is the best option?
So actually, I was only looking for like nearest. I've got Bangalore and Hyderabad, sir. Chennai was already over.
Yes?
So only these two places I actually went through, sir.
So you have an option of Bangalore and Hyderabad, am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are the institutes you have Bangalore and Hyderabad? What are your options?
There is only NIMS in Hyderabad, sir, and 3 other corporate hospitals are there, sir.
For DNB?
For DNB, sir, yes.
Okay.
There is no MCH here.
Yeah. So Bangalore Medical College is option for you?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
And only, I think on it's MCH only in MS Ramaya it's there, sir. 2 seats.
Okay.
And Jain Institute it's there, sir.
See, between MS Ramaya and Bangalore and Nizam, I will recommend you to choose Nizam if it's available for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's an answer for the question.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Now let us go ahead with the urology part of it. Can you give an update quickly on this? Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Our team went on preferred colleges for urology, sir. So
Okay.
we have found that these are the list of colleges,
Okay.
and the best selected is Doshi and KM Mehta, that is in Ahmedabad. And equally, SGPGA is also good, sir, equally in cutting wise. And followed by all these, in this Nizams is also good, and Gangaram is also good. The best center is Anant Kumar Best Urology Robotic Urology Center in Delhi. But for this, you have to complete your MCH and go, it seems. So you have to finish your MCH and go again training for robotic surgery in this institute. So this is what our team has found out, that these are the best colleges for urology. So people who are getting rank in those range, I would like to opt. I would like you to opt in this order, so it will be easy for you.
Now, any urology participants are there. I mean, you can.
And regarding cutting, they were like the best SGPA is the best for cutting. They are giving a lot of options for students for cutting, it seems. And equally, you may get cutting in Nizams and CMC Vellore also. The only thing there after that is you have to be perfect in laparoscopic urology, robotic urology, along with that the normal procedures. So only center which has all these is this Anant Kumar Institute. Rest you have it, but you have to have equal training along with the robotic to
Volume.
others also.
Volume.
No?
Yeah.
So they were like SGPA has good cuttings. That's what told by urologists, many urologists on our survey. And rest of the institute they are following Nizams, CVMC, Vellore. They are equally giving good cutting. So urology wise, normal procedures they will learn like this. But if they want robotic edge, laparoscopic edge, they have to go to a center like this in Delhi. So this last institute, Anant Kumar Institute. So that is a transplant unit. So they should concentrate on laparoscopic urology, robotic urology, and transplantation kidney surgery. So they should select an institute based on where all these are available. This is what, sir.
Okay. So, any questions to be asked? Any questions to be asked? You can ask questions, anything that you want to.
And one more thing regarding surgical oncology, Dr. Ravi has asked one query. Other than the premier institutes, it would be preferable to select pure cancer hospitals which have exposure than medical college. I agree with that. And majority of the hospitals are premier institutes only, like Tata, Kidwai, RCC. They are separate cancer hospitals. If you select if you select a pure cancer hospital, you will be dedicating entirely your life to the cancer only. I mean, if you are in a medical college, that doesn't give you extra edge. If you are in a cancer separate hospital or a urology hospital, you will be dedicating entire of your time to that scenario only, and you will be learning regarding that subject, which is useful for you for 3 years. When you are in a medical college, that equally doesn't happen. That's what we have seen. Sir, your comment on that? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Sir, your comment on that? I would like them to join Premier Institute so that for their life they will learn everything from A to Z regarding the subject.
Yeah.
Hello,
Dr.
sir,
Ravi,
can I
want
add?
to add something onto that?
Hello?
Yeah. His line is not clear. So, for SG, any questions? I mean, for any other specialties, questions? So, these sessions can go on only on your requirement and questions. Yes. Yes, Ravi. Yes, Dr. Ravi.
Yes, sir. Can I just add a few
Yeah, please.
regarding few ideas about surgical oncology. So
Yeah.
people call us and ask which is better, MCH or DNB. See, naturally
Yes.
naturally the first few seats, like up to like 70 to 80 seats, they will definitely get somewhere in Tata Memorial or the premier institutes like Kitwai Institute or RCC, everything. But after the after the rank 80, they come to the dilemma whether they can go for the MCH or DNB. So in those aspects, I just want to tell some few words. Say always choose the hospitals which are purely cancer hospitals. Like say like Indo-American Hospital at Hyderabad, or the MBR at Calicut, or pure cancer hospitals. How they have edge over the few MCH courses, or well, MCH courses in few medical colleges have some. I'm talking about surgical oncology. MCH courses in few medical colleges might have less exposure to few of the fields. As you know, surgical oncology comprises of various subspecialties, including GA oncology, thoracic oncology, head and neck oncology, gynec oncology, etc. So when it comes to the medical colleges, the chances of the cases getting distributed between the various departments are high. As you know, like in JIPMER, so there are the chances of having a few subspecialties, I mean the exposure to few subspecialty cases are lesser. So it is preferable to choose a very good, I'm talking about the ranks after 80 or 90. So choosing between DNB and MCH, please kindly think about the hospitals which are pure cancer hospitals. Then it comes some of the medical colleges. Then you can go for multi-specialty hospitals where the problem is the same. The cases get distributed between the departments, across the departments easily. So it is always better to choose the pure cancer hospitals first.
Yes.
It's,
Any questions? Any further questions?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I am Vivek Sawant, sir.
Yes, Dr. Vivek.
I have got 45 rank in this recent NEET assessor. First of all,
Yes.
thank you very much, sir, for all your guidance and all your help. It was an immense help, sir. Was wishing for rank between 1 to 25, sir, but somehow I am missing few questions and I have got 45.
Specialty, Dr. Vivek.
Specialty, which specialty?
Sir, vascular surgery.
Vascular surgery. Yes, go ahead, please.
Sir, I was for my rank for 45 ranks. I looked after the previous ranking and everything. There I am getting sir Narayan Hrudayalaya or Medanta or few of the MCH options like Madurai Medical College. So how to go about it, sir? What should I
You
prefer?
have three options: Narayana Hrudayalaya, Medanta, and Madurai Medical College. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So my preference for you will be number one will be Narayana Hrudayalaya.
Okay.
That will be the first option.
Okay, sir.
Second option will be Medanta,
Okay, sir.
and third will be Madurai Medical College.
Okay, sir. So why is that, sir? Matlab,
Huh?
why is that, sir?
Why is this preference? You're asking me the question. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The kind of work that is done, all the three are high volume centers.
Okay, sir.
Any government institution is a high volume center.
Okay, sir.
But today the vascular goes for interventional. The vascular is all about interventional today. Yes?
Yes,
So
sir.
it goes interventional, and also the other part that we are talking about is treating an aneurysm, abdominal aortic aneurysms, and rest of the most of today in vascular is become endo. So when it becomes that, you need to be in a place where that is practiced. It is not alone the patient load alone, that is not enough. you need to have the technology and the skill set, all three together to complete your training.
Okay.
Yes, there is no doubt that Madurai Medical College will have a lot of patients. Yes. Yes, and probably more amount of varicose vein and a TAO and an amputation and a simple bypass grafts is not adequate for your 3 years of your vascular surgery training. You mean the world is up to something else. Yes.
Right.
So you need to look on into those level of training process. You need to, if at all, you need to do an endovenous, endovascular. You need to have a setup that is available for the training. So that's the reason why I am telling you. In Narayana Hridalaya and Medanta, all the three are available. The load is there, expertise is there, technology is there.
Okay.
So today, this era of surgery is technology driven today. Let it be a surgical GE or onco, whatever might be. We are all become a technology driven surgeons. So it has to be that way. So that's the reason why I am telling you this is the option.
Right. So one more question. So
Yeah.
Does the place where I am settling down changes my preference of colleges? Matlab,
Your audio is not clear. Your audio is not clear.
yes, sir. Does the place where I am settling down later in life, does that change my preference of colleges, sir? Matlab, if
No, really not. Really not. I will tell you. The place where you're going to, you're basically from which place?
sir, I am from Maharashtra, Kolhapur district.
You are in Kolhapur district. You tell me where do you want to settle? That is your
Sir, I would like to settle here, but
you like to settle here, right? So
right,
what will happen, I will tell you. What will happen after your MCH or DNB? 3 years, I will tell you. Your personal wish of being at your home place or being what I mean pre-MCH and pre-DNB will automatically change to a preference of a comfortable, safe practice.
right.
Understand what I say? A
Not
comfortable,
really,
safe. Huh?
Can
It will. If you ask me if it changes, it will change.
Okay.
It will change, and it can change. And you will always see after finishing vascular, is there any scope for me to come back to Kolhapur and practice? If it is so, if it exists, you will choose an option to do that.
Right.
Yes. And if you have an opportunity and a scope, by then you will definitely come to know in third year when you finish what are the next steps we do by practice. If you feel the Narayana Hridalaya would be a safe haven for me, you stay back there and in case I'm just telling you. Yes, the comfort of practice is there, setup is there. I just go do my work and come back. It's nothing that I need to go hospital to hospital, hop and need to do. At the same time, you'll also see, will I be able to make enough of money out of it? Yes, they're living in a corporate hospital, they pay me enough to survive further. So those questions will always arrive. But definitely, you will be able to take a decision on that perspective. So there will not be a difficult, and you will be in a better position to do that.
Okay, matlab super specialty will change the city of my settling down.
Of course, yes, it can. I'll tell you an example. One of my colleague who was a cardiothoracic surgery along with me, when he joined, he wants to go back. He wanted to go back to his native town to practice.
Right.
And after finishing, in native town, he cannot practice cardiothoracic surgery. It is not possible. There is no setup for that. So he has eventually settled down in Chennai only. So that's what I am trying to tell you. So it depends, because your specialty becomes an higher specialty. Will your hometown will allow you to do that is the question to be asked. In case it allows you to do that, you go back and do that. There's no issues about it. You be with your family, your parents and all that. In case it does not allow, then you need to do something for what you have done.
Okay, right, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Sir. Thank you. So, whom should I answer next?
Good evening, sir.
Vinay, come on. Switch on the light, man.
Sir, sorry, I'm actually driving. I'm in the car.
Hey, if you're driving, don't talk to me.
Hey, sir, I parked on the side. The minute you came into vascular, I parked my car on the side, sir.
You park the car, then you talk to me. Yeah.
Yes. Car is parked, sir. Sir, my question is discounting MCH and DNB. Like I spoke to you about CMC Vellore.
Yes.
Discounting the point of MCH or DNB as you just explained, what is the best center to go to, sir? What do you give the center as point number 1. Because right now what I've heard is at CMC there is almost no endovascular procedures being done because everything has been captured by the cardiology department. Dr. Johnny Joseph, apparently, whom I think he has the absolute authority and monopoly over endovascular procedures. Secondly, sir,
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead. I'm listening to you.
Sir, medical under presence right now.
The line is
Thirdly, under.
the line is not stable.
Okay, sir. Now, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, for endovascular this thing, whether to CMC or should I opt for a center like Jain Institute, Jivas, or this thing, a place in Jivas or Narayan Hridayalaya? Discounting the DNB or MCH now, what is the preferential seat to go to?
See, I will always recommend you to choose a place where there's an endovascular for today.
Yes, sir.
For today's training. Let it be a DNB or an MCH. Please choose a place accordingly. Please choose a place accordingly. In case if you are very particular that you want MCH, as we discussed earlier, yes, then you have to be prepared enough. After finishing your MCH, you go back and join as a junior level consultant. Yes, to a high volume center where an endovascular is practiced and get additional training out of that. So you might need to spend extra time in case that is not available in place where you have to do an MCH of vascular surgery. That's my answer for that. The first preference would be to go to a place where all these three are available: patients, volume, and the technology and the expertise. Let it be an MCH or DNB does not matter. Unless you are very preferred that you have to do only an MCH, then you don't do DNB at all. If you're very particular that you want to be a post-MCH fellow, if you ask me, I did my DNB for general surgery, I was very particular to do only MCH. Yes, MCH. In case you feel that you want to do MCH, do MCH, don't compromise on that. I am telling you on that. Because lifelong you will keep feeling for that. If you do an MCH, in that place you are supposed to get trained is not there. Additionally, you can get trained to finish your MCH also.
Sir, for me, it actually doesn't make much of a difference. The degree doesn't make a difference because for my further practice, because I am in the army. So whatever I will be practicing as a vascular surgeon.
I'm not able to hear you.
Sir, I am saying that for me, the degree actually does not make much of a difference.
Does not make a difference? Then you go and join.
Since I am in the army, whatever.
Then better go and join a place where an endovascular is done.
So
as a part of vascular surgery.
You would recommend. So what is the one center
Already-
that you would
already we
recommend,
have
sir? Go join this.
I will prefer Narayana Hridayalaya because I know about the center. I know about Dr. Devi Shetty, and I know the Narayana Hridayalaya I prefer.
Right, sir. Even over Jain Institute. Even over
Yes,
Jivas, sir.
of course. Yes. It's a high volume center. It's good for your training, and there is a system in place, so it's good for
sir.
you.
And endovascular.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
There is no point in going to a place where nothing is done, no work is done. Don't join that place at all, please. It's waste of 3 years.
Sir.
It's
Yes,
just
sir.
a waste of 3 years. I think you need to do at this part of your life.
Exactly, sir. Because what I found out, the feedback about CMC was there is hardly any endovascular procedures being done right now because everything is under the Department of Cardiology.
Okay.
So, yes, sir. And my further professional does not get affected by me either being an MCH or a DNB.
Okay.
Because I have to go back to the army and practice.
Okay.
Sir.
So I mean, then I think you need to choose the best center, which we have discussed now.
So you say go to Narayan Vidyalaya, sir. It is the overall best center.
Yes. That's my final decision on that.
Okay,
And
sir.
recommendation on that. Decision is
Right.
yours. My recommendation is that.
Done.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Safe. Drive safe. Go home safely. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Yes. Can I have the next question on board, please? Can we have the next question on board, please? So, Dr. Vivek, I spoke, Dr. Vinay spoke, Dr. Suranga, Bella Kawadi, are you there?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
congratulate you.
My name is Dr. Suranga Bellapadi, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, you come on the video. If you want, you can come
Yes, sir.
on.
Just,
Yeah, come.
yes, sir.
Yes, introduce yourself and what is your interest, specialty? What is that?
So my name is Dr. Suraga. My name is Dr. Suraga, sir.
Yes.
My rank is 78, sir, surgical oncology.
Okay.
So I'm interested in the. I was looking for the institutes only, sir. Where, preferably, as sir guided me, that it would be better to go for a regional cancer center. I'm basically from Bangalore, but then place is not a much matter for me. My rank is 78, so I may not get the premier institute, the top 3 institute.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
As far guided, I would.
mean,
Yes, sir. Sir, I wanted to know about the
So-
DNB institutes, and sir had mentioned about that in the chat also, sir. Quite happy with the.
okay.
Yes. And I would like to thank you, sir, for all the classes which you have taken for us. It really helped us. And all the classes in the Speed app or the surgical oncology was primarily based on the David Island around David only. And it was quite helpful, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the Speed,
Thank
for all
you.
the help.
I wish you all the best. And once you have joined, let us know in good touch.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. I'll know.
I'll always request all of you to come back to Speed and start teaching. You need to start contributing. Yeah, you need to
Yes,
start
sir.
contributing.
Yes.
And topic you can take, and it's good to practice students. I become a student to a faculty. That becomes great. Okay. I wish you all the best.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care. God bless you. Now,
Thank you, sir.
can I talk to Dr. Akshata?
So, good evening, sir. I'm just a spectator, sir. I'm just watching the proceedings. I'm appearing for my exams next year, sir, subsequently.
Oh, for next year, you are watching. Great.
Sir.
Good. And so next, Dr. Satya. Is Dr. Satya here? Dr. Shashank. Sneha, we spoke. Dr. Sneha, we spoke. Dr. Karan. Yes. So these sessions will go on only to your questions, with respect to your questions and what do you want. Dr. Badmini, Dr. Manik, I congratulate all of you. Before even you could ask some questions. Dr. Pranita.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, Doctor.
Pranita, sir. I am Dr. Pranita.
Yes, Doctor.
Sir, first of all, sir, thank you so much. So the classes were really helpful, especially the Bailey-based classes.
Yes.
And sir, the app also. Sir, I got rank 101 in plastic surgery.
Excellent.
So, yes, sir. So for that, I have a doubt actually between sir Tata Memorial and BJ Medical College, Ahmedabad. So which institute will be better, sir?
See, I will note down this question and I'll just definitely get back onto you this. And I will share the number of Dr.
Can they repeat the question?
Of plastic surgery. If you can kindly make it, unfortunately she couldn't come today. I will just share the number. Okay. And
yes,
her
sir.
number,
Yes, sir.
kindly make a note of this.
Yes, sir.
98
Okay, sir.
34850.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Madam is Rashida Beham. and she's a plastic surgeon, one of the faculty, and she will
Yes,
be
sir,
able
yes.
to help you out. She has prepared the list of colleges, and definitely can ask the question, you'll get the right answer. And you also
Yes.
put a message to me as well, and I'll make sure that you have got the solution for this. My
Okay,
number
okay.
is 9840
Hello, ground floor ward.
Yes, sir.
44686. Mark a copy to me also.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Welcome, doctor. Welcome. Dr. Satya, we have a session on gynec-oncology and fertility, reproductive medicine on Wednesday. I will send you a link on that day so that you will be able to participate, because we will have the set of faculties of all, gynec-oncology and also reproductive medicine and general OBG. So that it will definitely help you out. If you want contact of a neurosurgeon, I will give it to you. Now, Dr. Satish. And you can note down the number of neurosurgery. You asked me that. The number is Dr. Satish, who took a recent update on neurosurgery, 988-427 0665. Sakendeshwarar, able to hear me? 988-427 0665. Okay. Yes. So, any further questions to be asked? Anyone who's interested in cardiothoracic surgery, specialty of cardiothoracic surgery, anybody is there? Is anyone? So, are there any questions you can ask us? So, in case there are no questions, yes, then I congratulate and thank all of you for participating.
Hello.
All the faculties who
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir, there is Satya. She has 19th rank in hand surgery. Any chance, sir?
Hello. 19th rank. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Kindly go ahead.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Doctor. Dr. Satya. Yes, go ahead.
First of all, thank you so much, sir. Your classes were so very helpful for us.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
19th rank in hand surgery, sir. Any chances of getting seat within Tamil Nadu, sir?
I think so. I think definitely you have a chance for this, and the preferable will be Stanley Medical College. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hearing, sir.
The preference will be Stanley Medical College, and
Yes,
and you have an option of DNB Ganga Hospital. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
DNB Ganga Hospital, Coimbatore.
Okay, sir.
And it is these two centers are renowned for this, and also KMC in Chennai also is good
Okay, sir.
For this hand surgery. And any of these three available institutes you can definitely choose.
Okay, sir.
So I strongly feel that it is possible, and I think we need to wait to take it. And I mean the exact picture, I will come back to this question tomorrow to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Dr. Shashank, I've got 87th rank in vascular surgery. Any chance of getting a seat? I mean, I will definitely get you the data on this 87th rank. Will that be possible? And I will answer this question definitely tomorrow. So I have seen the question right now. I don't have an answer for this right now, but definitely I'll answer this question tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So I kindly note down my number, and for those questions you have not answered, the number will be 98400 44686. You message me personally. I will get on to the answers exactly and reply back to you. Yes. So if there are no further questions, and I thank all the participants and all the rank holders and also the faculties who participated in this. Thank you very much, and Dr. Teja, Dr. Basant, and Dr. Ravi for all.
Congratulations everyone once again. I hope you maintain this and continue for your excellence.
So all the best for your career. Go ahead. Wish you all the best. Do well. Anything you just contact through the number. We'll reply back to you. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.